Hey tradies, do you struggle creating rapport with your potential clients? Hi, I'm Chris, and in this video, I want to share with you how to leave a memorable impression when you're visiting potential clients. When you're going out to visit clients, generally you're going out to visit them for the first time, or you're going out to do a quote, or maybe there's a follow-up conversation that you'll be having with them face to face. What I've seen with a lot of clients in the past is that they're going out underprepared, meaning they haven't got enough collateral or information that they can take with them to really create that connection in the first place. People do business with people, so it's really important that we create that connection and build that trust with our clients so that we have a better chance of them using us. A great way for ourselves to do this is to create a marketing material or information pack that has a bunch of different PDFs or A4 brochures in it that explain a little bit more about us and our services. Some of the information that you could include in this info pack would be an About Us brochure or information about who you work for, some testimonials from previous clients, a section on your difference and why you're different or the benefits of working with you versus someone else, and maybe even a journey or a pathway for your potential client to follow so that they understand more about the process for the product or the service that you deliver. It's really important leaving a memorable impression when you first meet clients, because it's highly likely that they're going to be receiving quotes and receiving, information from other builders as well, or other trades or services as well. We want to make sure that we are front of mind and we're presenting ourselves really well, because of the quality of the material really represents us and our brand. If you found this video really helpful, please feel free to check us out, Upcoach Business Growth Programs on YouTube, and subscribe to our channel.